passenger jet cruising over the Pacific could pass above tsunami energy and see no giant movie wave at all. But put that same jet on a low coastal runway with the ocean beyond the fence, and it can lose its escape route before water ever reaches the cabin. So what is the last moment this plane can still escape? Let's test one aircraft, one warning, and one runway. This is Pacific Coast Airport. Fictional, low, simple, and uncomfortably close to the ocean. One terminal, one runway, one passenger jet. Then the warning flashes. If the plane is already high over the ocean, the coastline is the problem, not the aircraft. In deep water, tsunami energy can spread across huge distances with only a small rise at the surface. From above, the ocean may look almost rude in how normal it seems. But now imagine the plane is descending toward the coast. It still has something extremely valuable: choice. It can hold, turn away, or divert somewhere safer. It has altitude, fuel, coordination, and options. Landing is the moment it starts trading those options for a strip of land inside the warning zone. Now put the aircraft at the gate. From your seat, this still feels promising. You are inside a machine with wings, engines, computers, and a phone in airplane mode, which is helpful for the phone and absolutely irrelevant to the ocean. Because at the gate, the plane is not really an escape vehicle yet. Before it can leave, a whole ground chain has to work. Doors close, jet bridge gone, pushback cleared, taxi route open, and a runway still available when it gets there. Then it starts taxiing, and everyone relaxes a little. Movement feels like escape, but taxiing is still ground life. A blocked route, a closure, debris, flooding, poor visibility, or a delay can stop the aircraft before it ever reaches the place where flying begins. At the runway, the centerline stops being airport scenery. It becomes the path where speed is supposed to turn into altitude. The aircraft needs enough firm, clear surface to accelerate, rotate, and climb away. If that surface is contaminated, blocked, damaged, shortened, or closed, the plane may be perfectly healthy and still unable to leave. So the final question is not, can this airplane fly? It is, can this runway still make it fly? The wings are not the escape plan. The runway is. Too late does not have to look like a wave hitting the windows. It can look boring. A runway closure, water or debris on the pavement, unsafe braking, blocked access, or too little usable distance to safely become airborne. Now picture the runway split in two. On one side, the aircraft accelerates, rotates, lifts off, and the coastline drops away beneath it. On the other, the same centerline disappears into water, debris, or unsafe conditions before the aircraft can create flight. The danger isn't that the wave beats the airplane. It's that it cancels the runway. So when that warning flashes, it does not just mean water is coming for the plane. It means the plane is running out of time to stop being part of the coastline. A plane survives a tsunami by reaching the sky before the runway stops being a runway. And that is the strange part. The safest place for a jet may be the sky, but the hardest part is getting there in time. If you want more survival puzzles where the obvious answer is hiding the real problem, subscribe.